How to create a Newegg account. Now in order to create an account in Newegg, just simply open your browser and search for Newegg in there and open the website of newegg.com. Then you are going to see this homepage. From here, you need to tap into the Head and Shoulders icon from the top right corner. Tap in there and then you are going to see a bunch of options, and one of them is login or register. Tap to login or register, and after tapping in there you are going to see a bunch of options in order to log in and register. Now you just simply need to tap to sign up button, and after tapping to sign up you are going to see this page where you can enter your first and last name in the very top, and then email number in second, and then phone number in the third, which is optional, and then set a strong password for your account, which must include 3 of these following and must contain 8 to 30 characters in your password. And after creating all these, tap to sign up button and your account in Newegg will be created. So this is how you can create a Newegg account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.